In this video, I'm going to talk about arrays, how we use array in C language. So let's use the example. We include the standard library file, and let's create a new main function. So first, what is the array? Array is when we want to sort the data that have the same data type. Let's say we have 10 integers. That's the time we can use the array. We define the array type, and we say it's a integer and equal to something. So we can put the index here if we know the size of the array. So 10 means it's 10 integers, and the index start from 0. You rate 0 to 9. That's you. So for example, let's have int array arr. I say it's a 10, size of 10. So equals, we can initialize the array by giving some values. Let's say 12, 23, 21, 34, 50, 43, and something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 integers here. Then we can use the for loop or while loop, just go through the array and print out each number. So the index is what we use to illustrate the arrays. So we start from 0, let's use the for loop. So I start from 0 less than 10, so that will be 0 to 9. Then we can print out the arrays here. Let's say ARR can do %d equals. So that will be I, comma. So the I is the index. I is the index of the array. Now let's run the code. It will print out all the numbers in the array. So start from 0 to 9. That should be comma here. Then it will be 90. So array 0, array 1, array 2. These are the numbers. Array 2. So this 12 index is 0. 23 is 1, 21 is 2, so we start from 1. If we try to print out something like this, if we say array 11, it will give us an error because it doesn't exist. So %d here, comma. Let's run the code, see what will print out array 11. So it's just a random number since we didn't initialize memory for this part. So that's a kind of error number here. Every time we define the array, we can give it a size. Let's say another one, array 2, a size of 20, and if we do 0, now let's print out the array here. So it'll be size 20. Let's see what's in there. Okay. So it's all zeros here. That's how we initialize the array. The array, if we just define the array without giving the initialized value, it will just give us a very random value when we try to use the number in that address. So we have to initialize the array when we use it, or give it a very reasonable value. And this is how we go through the array here. We use a for loop, and by using index, just index, find the address, then get the number for each one. And we can also change the number or at a certain index. Let's say if you want to change the number as the second one or the third one, so we give it an index 2. Now if we print out the number, so that would be address 1. So that's array 2, index 2. So that would be array index 2. That should give us 2 here. So we change it here. Let's say printf, please enter number. Okay, now it's waiting us to enter number, let's say 20. So it should print out 20 here. That's how we change the value in the array here. And that's how we define the array and use the array. It's just kind of what if we will have some numbers that have the same data type, we can create an array, put them all together. So it will create a continuous address in the memory. And if we want to change the number at some position, we can just use the index, like array array 4, that's for the 5th value in the array. Now we know how we define the arrays, how we go through the elements in the array, how we change the values in the array. I hope you all know how to use the array right now. Thank you for watching.